Hello my dear kids, I hope your life is going smoothly. You've learned about the art forms of India, isn't it? Let me ask you, are you interested in sports? Yes? So today, let's learn about sports, and this is your chapter number 15. In this video about sports, we would learn the sports that were earlier and now, about the Olympic games such as gymnastics and swimming, and we will also learn about the common sports such as cricket and football. Playing some kind of sports is very important for our well-being. It helps in keeping our body fit and healthy. It gives more energy to our body. It provides a platform to interact with each other in a healthy manner. Here you can see the sports which were played earlier. This is a picture of the sports which is played now. With the passage of time, a huge transformation has come about in the field of sports. Earlier, only sports like Kho-Kho and Kabaddi were played. Nowadays, different kinds of sports like football, cricket and table tennis are popular. Next, let's see about the Olympic Games. The Olympic Games started thousands of years ago in Greece. The games were named after the place Olympia, Greece. It is held after every 4 years. Its logo has 5 rings. Let us have a look at some of the sports played in Olympics. Number 1 is gymnastics. This sport is known for its gracefulness. It requires great strength, flexibility and control over the body to perform exercises like flips and somersaults. Somersaults are the movements in which the feet roll over the head and return. Next, let's learn about one more Olympic game, which is swimming. How many of you know to swim? Okay, nice. In swimming, there are in total 16 events, which include relay race and individual competitions. Swimmers compete in 4 categories: freestyle, butterfly, breaststroke and backstroke. In 2016, Michael Phelps became the first person to win the highest number of medals in Olympic Games. We learned about 2 Olympic Games such as gymnastics and swimming, isn't it? Do you know something? During ancient times, the winners of Olympic Games were awarded with olive crowns. Now, let's learn about the common sports such as cricket and football. First, let's learn about cricket. It is one of the most popular sports played in India. Here, you can see a cricket bat, a ball and a cricket helmet. Cricket is played between 2 teams of 11 players each. Many tournaments are held to play the sport worldwide, such as ODI World Cup and Ranji Trophy. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, handles all the operations for the Indian cricket team. The ICC World Cup is played every 4 years. Do you know who introduced cricket in India? It was by the British. Next, let's learn about football. It is one of the most popular sports in the world. It is played between 2 teams of 11 players each. Many tournaments of this sport are held worldwide, such as FIFA World Cup and Indian Super League. The FIFA World Cup is played every 4 years. We got to know more about cricket and football, isn't it? Is there any benefits of playing sports? It is there. They keep us fit and healthy. Outdoor sports like running increases our stamina. They help build team spirit. They are a source of relaxation. They boost creativity and innovation. They help in developing social skills. So children, in this video, we learned about the Olympic Games such as gymnastics and swimming. We also got to know about cricket and football as well. Hope you've got an idea of sports and benefits of playing sports. Take care. Bye.